Hi guys. Jesus Christ. So it's Friday the 13th. Ooh.
Today Friday the 13th?
Yeah. Yeah. Waiting on a cab.
There's a photo shoot.
Something like that.
Model so Insta Baddie.
Girl. Look how my hand full up. So our cab is here. So we'll kind of vlog behind alright.
Behind the scenes.
Of the shoot. So you guys can see. Yeah.
Hey guys. So we didn't vlog much today. What time now, Nizam?
What time now, Alec?
7:07.
7:07.
The time is
Hi guys.
7:07 p.m.
Used to be a ballerina.
Still got your moves. So
Me
we
a
do today.
cook.
Me sleep all day. I like the funny phone all day. Nizam did I edit one vlog
All day.
all day.
So if you haven't seen that,
Go check it out.
yeah,
Watch it already.
good boy. And remember to subscribe. Guys, me a cook. Like some fucking cookie lily. As usual. Like come here and smell that garlic. Anyways, me gone.
Alright. So me soon come in there and show them where I cook.
Oh, can we just about to say you're not gonna cook?
Who? Really, Alec? Really? No, me not gonna cook. Everybody knows I can't cook. That well known. So yeah, tomorrow should be a fun day since we never vlogged much today. Right? We're going to Strawberry Hill. Fields. We're going to Strawberry Fields in St. Mary, I believe. Yeah. So that should be fun. We're going off for Jutina's birthday because we never really do much for her birthday, so we're doing that. So that should be fun. Let's see what Nizam is cooking. I don't know the song. So guys, this is what my dinner looks like. Baked mac and cheese, potato salad, fried chicken. But just a go on like me now workout. Just a workout in vain. But who no love fried chicken though? And me one have 3 piece. What them something like this, you know, 1 bite. But I don't know. Yeah, I'm about to go eat. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Sunday the 15th. Yeah. And we're headed to Strawberry Fields. Don't mind that box. I soon tell you what's in there. Okay, so my friend requested corned beef sandwiches
and cheese sandwiches. But my extra ass colored the cheese. So, you know, that old school colored cheese shit, that's what I was going for. I have on this choker from Forever 21, this hoodie from Forever 21. When you don't ask me, I mean, a hoodie, like, me just feel really bare. So I say, you know, I'm going to throw this on. This bralette from Forever 21 and this little biker shorts. Yeah, I buy it off a tree. Yes, so I'm waiting on Alec and Dija. Then we're going to pick up Jutina. Guys, I realize I love Jutina, you know. I realize I love Jutina. Jutina is just a ball of fun. Even though she annoys me sometimes. But as a friendship, great. She annoys the shit out of me sometimes. Like right now, she annoys me because she make well late. And she always make well late. Always make well late. You see me? And that shit annoys me. But anyways, we're going to have a good day. And I hope we reach safely. Yes. Because we're going to St. Mary, because that's where it is, I think. Yeah, St. Mary. So, you know, we're going to pull up on the Google Maps. And so hopefully Google Map don't fail you and we don't lose. Yeah. I feel that choker you still, why you never bling? I feel like you should have made nice. No? Okay. Anyways, guys, so they're coming down now. So I'll keep you guys posted. Listen, we have to choose where we can submit. Fast forward.
No, you can try.
When nobody watch
I need to fix it. You know, I'm pop-up here.
Yeah, find a good part.
I love I want I'm trying
Well, let's get first shirt in. You just buck off your wig like nobody's business.
I feel it.
So fix it here now? Yeah, my fix it here. Okay.
Yeah, they hate, but they broke though. And when it's time to pop, they know
Where they at though?
Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm loco. The loud got me moving slow-mo. Hey, yo, tweeted with a horse, bro. Hey, yo, keys with a horse, bro. That other nigga, he a bozo.
I got liquor by the
Slapping up your back is on.
Guys, why? I almost dropped. Guys, you guys have to see this shit. Whoa. So awesome. So freaking awesome, guys. This is where we live, guys. Can you cabbage door? That's us. Oh God. Just take a minute to just enjoy this scene right now. I'm gonna zoom up for you now. Like, gonna see this? God damn! Mr. Friend.
It's just out right now. Me can't. Chocho, you look like foreigner. No, sir. Me never read.
Jutina, no bother drop. Don't Jutina. Oh God. That's Dija for you guys. And that's Jutina. Forever drop. Lord God. Jutina, no bother go down there.
What the block
Excellent. Not for Snapchat.
I'm a Snapchat at the vlog. So guys, we are here. Dija right here. Latina. Bitch, name off the sandwich there.
No, Dija.
Look on them out blue. Look not.
You not see, you not see right now. Look again. Tell me if you say
Tell me if your bitch mouth no blue. Say ah. Say ah. And that's Alec over there.
Or is it Niles?
Actual service.
So where juice?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't go down.
And if
So
you're
what can I do,
dry.
sir?
We need to make boluses. So it can go down our esophagus.
Ooh,
Oh.
big words. Spell esophagus.
Pull the plastic now, I go see what I want for it. I go see if I work the foil. I go see if I work the 2 grand now.
Big dog.
So if pepperoni there. And wait, chicken.
It's under.
Okay.
Hey, man, come on one snap.
Yes guys, so we're about to grab on this
Grab a
brick
hold,
oven.
hold.
Wait, a brick oven?
Yeah.
Brick oven. We have to start talk properly, you know?
Me
We have to
too.
start talk properly. We're about to
Pause for
grab.
20 seconds.
Go for 2017 to speak properly. Chicken, please stop going like you never uptown for a morning.
Not true.
I wasn't talking about myself.
Ooh! I should eat your shit with. I feel like I'm punch entire. Chicken, I bet you will leave you here this evening.
You left me?
I bet you will leave you here.
I have my learners.
Vroom.
Woo.
I know you're there, I see your face. But can I hold you just in case?
Seeing them so genuinely happy makes me happy. I'm saying, seeing you guys, holy shit! I'm saying, seeing you guys genuinely happy. Alright, well, Dija, your clothes wet. Yeah, your clothes, you know, it gone. Seeing them so happy makes me happy. And guys, this is just my message to you. Don't judge your life by anybody else's, okay? We all have something planned in store. God has something in store for all of us. Just enjoy life with your friends, your family, and those who matter. day. Yes, all I want is ass. Can I have some ass, please, Nizam?
It's a big booty hole.
Ooh, yes, babe. I'm the only one who doesn't have any. Watch Chicky. Chicky have friend goals right now. You see pose them and take the picture? Well, I'm not have no bad suit.
Why you get anything you like? Long as you are right and me alright, me know you're mad, that's why I like you. To a woman that likes right. Plus you bump up the proper signs, so back it up me there behind you. Just slap it, make a nice. Snap a random picture, she pretty on any side. Mama swine, your skin clean, thick eyes. Blush bright, so me now my choice.
So guys, we're back home. Yeah, today was a fun day. I had fun, Nisa?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, today was awesome. Even though we didn't go in the water for, for a long time or whatever, but it was so fun. So this is where we end the vlog. And I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far, even though this is just the second one, but still. So remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, like where we from, and share. So thanks guys for watching. Bye. Say bye, Nisa.
Bye guys.